They probably dirty-ish now because angavas.
Kill a lot of innocent people. Them even kill the good one like Steve Biko. These motherfuckers are the time up to evil. See them suck poor people blood like weevil.
Greetings, kings and queens. I hope you guys are doing well, man, because I'm fine. Thank you very much. In this video, I will be trying to teach you guys how to play the recorder. So I'll be trying to teach that, bro. Emphasis on try, because I'm also learning. But man, it's easy. It's real easy, right? So now when it comes to figuring, in this song, we'll only be using the last few, don't know how many these are, I think 5, the last 5 holes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, all of them, right? And fingering 1, 2, we don't use the pinky, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. So we're gonna start with the first tune, with the first beat, or with the first note. We're gonna start with the first note. So you only use the tongue for the first note. So if you hear a leak with your recorder, please make sure that your fingerings are holes, that your holes are covered. You can check which one is leaking by just it's also a great way to practice how to eventually play faster. So lifting all the fingers one by one, literally. Alright, but go we speed up. Okay, so the pinky one is a bit longer than the rest, I guess we'll give it a 3 count. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, I hope it makes more sense that way. So we almost very much done with the song, right? That's the third part. Yeah, so as soon as you do not use the tongue when you lift these. You use the tongue for the pinky. You do not use the tongue here. It's really not necessary because your fingers does the work for you. So even there, all right. So far we only use the tongue once. So it is all the fingers, ne? All the fingers. So that's where the mimicking comes from. If you're able to sing the tune, it will do you a great favor. I think it gets a bit complex here. So I'll play it and then I'll stop and show you where it gets complex. The tapping, this one repeats itself twice. So we're going to go again. Please, I hope you're playing along with me. I guess that way will help you catch on faster. Yeah, that's basically how the tune goes. Please practice. You can practice this obviously as much as possible when your friends are around and you just want to show off. Everyone knows this tune, man. 2020, everyone is in the vibe. So if you want to flex a lot, why not? You know, they won't be impressed. Trust and believe. And another thing is that I don't really emphasize much on my hair. I'm planning on having to give you guys a information on hair in general, so that you guys can understand where I come from with my hair, why it means so much to me. People take it lightly. They probably dirty-ish now because angavas. I just have time. I thought I should record. So my hair, one thing about my hair that I really admire is the fact that I've got locks that stand after a year and a couple of months. NBs are not you know, my hair still kind of defines gravity in a way, although they're slowly dropping. They're still standing. I'm like, oh, because when I started my logs, one thing I kept saying to my elder is I want my locks to look like my afro. I want locks that's gonna be round. I wanted to do this and still feel it. But ngokuman, I look around, yabo, and I tend to be surrounded with people with locks a lot. And I look at them and I'm like, but why is my hair still standing? Ever I know I asked for it. But it's like over a year now. It's supposed to be hanging already. But anyway, I do have a good ass example with someone who has similar hairstyle to mine, or hair texture to mine, or hair style, yeah, because we both have hair that like still kind of defines gravity. But anyways, I'm running out of storage. Thank you so much for watching. I appreciate you. Peace out.
Babylon cannot escape this judgment. We are go burn up them dirty government. Babylon cannot escape this judgment. Fact the constitution